Everyone talking about Radical Rose by Matiere Premier. The notes in this are rose, pepper, saffron, patchouli, and labdanum. I am, pleasantly surprised by this. Rose and patchouli is usually one of my least favorite combinations of any two scents that can be combined. Like, I'm not a fan of either. Sometimes both are in fragrances that I like when they're kind of done in a more toned down way, but especially when they're together, ugh, that's not for me at all. And this still isn't something that I would wear myself or want to like smell for long durations, but I don't hate it at all. And for me, saying that about a rose and patchouli scent, I would say is a pretty big compliment. Yeah, I wouldn't mind being around someone else wearing this. It doesn't feel like dusty and ancient on one end like some rose and patchouli fragrances do to me, and on the other hand, it doesn't smell like too dirty or earthy either. Yeah, the labdanum gives it this almost like slight creamy leatheriness, but in a really polished and smooth way. Yeah, overall, I think, and I feel this way about most fragrances by this fragrance house, this is a good combination of like designer style mass appeal, but with niche quality, good longevity, and projection. This is unisex leaning slightly feminine. Yeah, the rose is more dominant here than the patchouli by far, I would say. So yeah, definitely unisex leaning feminine. This goes for 260 for 100 ml. I'll put a link in the description where you can get a bottle or sample if you want to check it out.